Actually need two hands to do this next step, but I'm just demonstrating. So here's the thing. You have these sheets. Triple sheeting means there's a fitted bottom sheet. There's one face down top sheet, a piece of filler, whether it's a blanket or a flannel sheet or a comforter. Then you have the third sheet in the set, which is another top sheet that's face down. So the idea is to envelop your filler so that it never touches your body and it makes a beautiful duvet. What you want to do is find that line where your filler is underneath the sheet right here. So that's what I'm looking for. So I'm going to find that line, I'm going to grab a hold of it, and trust me, two hands is better. And I'm going to magically, I might have to do that again. I'm going to grab a hold of that line, and I'm going to grab the top sheet over it, and I'm going to tuck this top sheet underneath the blanket. Then the next thing that's going to happen is that this final move will be that this pretty one folds down on the outside, and what you have is a completely encased, enveloped blanket.